When we visited a few rural families, something hit us really hard. A small cut, a simple fever that we usually don't worry about became a huge problem for families who don't have basic health nearby.
Some people told us that they didn't clean a wound because they weren't sure how. Others didn't know whether a fever meant rest or a hospital visit. Not because they didn't care, but because nobody ever explained it to them in their own language.
We realize something simple but painful. People aren't suffering because of lack of intelligence, but lack of information. So we thought that we had to do something.
That's where our idea HealthLink Kit was born. We thought why not every family had a small box, just a simple kit that could help in everyday health situations. So we packed some basic first aid essentials. Also, the most powerful part is the QR code inside. When you scan it, you don't get complicated medical terms, but simple, easy to understand, friendly guides in Hindi and local languages.
It's about hygiene, nutrition, first aid steps, and early signs of common illness. The kind of guidance every family deserves to have, and is using it super simple. First, families use the basic supplies, then, whenever they are confused, they just scan the QR code, and then, even on a basic smartphone, they could do this and see shorts, clear instructions, or audio explanations.
And we don't want to stop here. We want to add helplines, more languages, and short videos. We want to work with school, NGOs, and provide kits that reach to every home.
Age 16 to 17, but we believe that age doesn't decide the impact.
HealthLink Kit isn't just a box, it's help, it's hope, it's a small step towards a healthier future.